What's up, OCC gang? This deal is going to be super quick, so the first thing you need to do is click the link in the description box below, guys. Click the link in the description box below. You know I like to get right into the deals. I do not want to waste your time. So once you click that link, you're going to see this offer. It says buy 4, get a $5 Target gift card. But check out the price. The ones that are only $1.49 are included. So if you buy 4 of those, it's going to be super cheap and you'll still get a $5 gift card. That's crazy. Now, this has happened before, and once they get a lot of orders in, they usually take the cheap ones off. They say, hey, we weren't supposed to have something that cheap included in this deal. So I have 4 of these in my cart, and my total, even with the super high Florida tax, is only $6. So I will pay $6, and that is even including tax, and I will be getting a $5 gift card back. Plus, I get to keep these awesome, usually overly expensive hair products. So that's the deal. It's super easy. As I said, the links are in the description box below. It'll take you directly to the products. I do recommend that you hurry, because sometimes once they see that this offer is popular, they usually take it away. Alright guys, I gotta head to Walgreens and CVS for another video. So that's it for this video. OCC gang, I'm out.